Good morning, I'm Darren Van Vactor with Paragon Ag. Corn remains range-bound as planting progress jumped 7% to 91% over the last week, trailing last year in the 5-year average by only 2% now. The market did seem a bit surprised by the condition rating of 65%, which was 3 points below the average expectations and 8 points behind last year. Beans. Talks of lower soy meal demand, a drop in Chinese crush margins, rumors over potential Chinese cancellations, and sufficient progress on soybean plantings here in the States have driven soybean futures to a fresh 9-month low. We're looking to find some stable footing and support here in the near term. Wheat is still searching for its headline. The USDA did back the good to excellent rating down 2% versus last week on hard red wheat, which now trails last year by 13%. It still feels as though the trade is in a prove-it-to-me mentality regarding wheat and its condition. As harvest ramps up, we'll get a better handle on the situation. The next 60 to 90 days packs a lot of information into a short time frame. Weather, specifically precipitation and heat, should be hot topics. The June 30th planted acreage report is right around the corner, with corn pollination and bean potting trailing closely behind it. There are things to do and ways to position your operation to take advantage of volatility in the market. It's not necessarily a question of when, but a question of how. If you have questions about the markets or how your operation can better navigate them, please contact us here at Paragon Ag Advisors, 888-452-8751. I'm Darren Van Vactor. Be safe and have a great week.